Some people out there, and I've called them out, have been saying that Crypto.com is a falling exchange, that it's going to become irrelevant, that it's not going to remain at the top of the conversation when it comes to major crypto exchanges. I've called those people out who have been saying such things, and today I have got the data to back up exactly the opposite of those claims. I believe that Crypto.com is going to be one of the top exchanges for a while in crypto. It's got the domain name Crypto.com. They are doing all these different marketing partnerships, the licensing that they've done in a variety of different countries. They're making moves in the right direction. I've laid out that evidence time and time again on this channel. And if you haven't seen the videos that I've talked about it on, you should check it out. You should subscribe to the channel. Look at my other CRO videos and my partner on this channel's Black Seas videos as well. We've talked a lot about this. But today, Crypto.com is gaining traction, and more so than Binance. It is actually taking market share right now from Binance, and there are stories about it that I want to share with you in this video. I'll give you an update on the CRO Coin price, the Cronos memes, and all that good stuff. So welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. DCA, let's get into it. I always say DCA. I love dollar cost averaging because I believe that a crypto parabolic bull market is coming. You know this by now. Fear and Greed Index is low, presenting buying opportunities. Bitcoin's at $62,000 today, which is up in the last 24 hours. Some big jobs report data came out recently. I think this is actually driving the market up, which is very interesting. But still, the Fear and Greed Index is low, and people are fearful, which historically speaking is a great time to accumulate. Now, I know for a fact that there are a lot of people that are fearful about CRO. Even though Crypto.com is a major exchange, the Cronos chain has just launched as of this bull market. It has not been around until this bull market, truly. It was around in the bear market, and now here we are going into a after post-halving year where historically Bitcoin makes new all-time highs and has some of the best gains it has in its history, and altcoins typically follow. And people are skeptical of the performance, the future performance of the Cronos coin, which I personally don't understand because we've looked at Binance so many times. Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange. They have their own smart chain, and the Binance token is the gas utility token for that chain, and the same is true for Cronos. So here's the deal, guys. $2.1 billion market cap for Cronos right now. That is low, relatively speaking, compared to a Binance chain, which is currently at $81 billion in market cap. Now, here's the new story of the day. The next largest centralized exchange being Crypto.com, which has been eating into the market share of Binance like there's no tomorrow. Stay hungry for success, grow fam. I don't know who this guy is on Twitter, but I saw this tweet today, and it forced me to dive in to exactly what's going on right now. This chart is kind of difficult to read, and I've got a better chart here I'm going to show you in a second, but you will see that Crypto.com is actually a little bit bigger in terms of its growth, of market share, in the month of October. It has been growing. Here's another article that I want to share with you guys. Boom. CEX, centralized exchange, CEX, trading volume drops 17.2%. Binance loses ground as Crypto.com surges. Okay, so September saw a seasonal 17.2% drop in centralized exchange trading volumes. So trading volumes are less than normal right now. But despite, they say here, trading volume is expected to pick up in October onwards, potentially driven by the Fed's rate cuts. We've been talking about this. The Fed cutting rates is bullish for crypto. Despite market share loss of 2.02%, Binance remains the top exchange. So Binance only lost 2%. But here's the deal, guys. Crypto.com is climbing their way up. Centralized exchange shakeup, Binance slips, Crypto.com gains ground. Binance still leads the pack, but Crypto.com ranks second with $134 billion in spot trading volume, a 40.2% increase since August. Bybit is third with a volume of $122 billion, a 19.6% drop. And then you've got OKX. Crypto.com also took the lead in derivatives trading with a 42.8% market increase. Crypto.com and Upbit were the top gainers by market share, rising 4.3% for Crypto.com and 0.53% for Binance. As Crypto.com continues to gain market share, do you think that the CRO token is going to benefit from that? I personally believe so. Year to date, Crypto.com strengthened its market share by 8.08% and Bybit by 3.84%. A lot of people talk about Bybit a lot. It's only increased its market share by 3.48%. Crypto.com increased their market share by 8%. Now, I called out BitBoy in this video the other day when he said this.
Fit that mold. I don't believe BGB was around for the last one. So I just think it's old school. I think that exchange is on the way down. And there you go. So
he thinks that Crypto.com is old school, and he thinks that it's that exchange, referring to Crypto.com, and I could play the whole clip, but I did this in a live stream the other day where I just talked specifically about what was going on here. He said that he thought Crypto.com was on the exchange on the way down. Well, like, what data is this guy going off of over here? 8% over the last year, they've increased market share. Famously, BitBoy has said, that's low IQ. He said that to people in his chat section. I would say, BitBoy, your opinion on Crypto.com here is very low IQ. It's not driven by data. And in the same video, he talks about, Bybit and I think he talks about Femex, and it's because those are some of his affiliate partners. And okay, you've got some partners, great, but let's share the facts. Let's share the facts. And the facts are saying that Crypto.com is doing very well and increasing in market share, surpassing Coinbase and catching up in terms of trading volume and catching up to Binance in terms of market share. It's actually really great to see. Another news for Crypto.com, they picked Tyler, Texas in North America for their new headquarters. They're moving their headquarters from Miami to Texas. Just a fun fact for you. Anyway, I'm very frustrated to see that so many people FUD Crypto.com and Cronos, calling Cronos a dead chain, when in reality, it's never even been a lot. It was an infant baby in a bear market where things are just bearish and nobody cares about crypto. Why would a brand new chain have a boom of life in the middle of a bear market? It wouldn't. It's a silly thought to think that it would. I keep saying it's not over to the fat lady sings, referring to the fact that total value of the market cap for crypto has not achieved a new high. Total value locked up in DeFi has not achieved a new high. Nobody cared about crypto during the bear market. People are starting to care again. If Bitcoin takes new highs, Cronos chain is going to have an opportunity to gain some market share, just as we're seeing the Crypto.com exchange do. So I'm not going to be surprised to see Cronos climb in rank here. Now, maybe it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't. We don't know until it happens. But considering the growth of Crypto.com, the marketing that they have, the partnerships that they have, I feel very good about it. I know that the community, the Crow fam, as we call it, is very, very strong. And I'm a fierce defender of this chain. I do own tokens. I own Crow coins. I own meme coins within the Cronos ecosystem. And so full disclosure on that. I'm not a partner for Crypto.com. I'm not a partner for Cronos. I'm not an ambassador for any tokens on Cronos at all. I'm just a guy that looks at the data and realizes that Crypto.com achieved a dollar price in the last bull market. And good cryptocurrencies from good creations, right? Good companies like Binance or Crypto.com are probably going to have some success into the future. And that means that, right now, Crow Coin's valuation versus Bitcoin is at its lows. This is an incredible buying opportunity. But what this also means is that you see Crow that was at $1 before the Cronos chain launched. There's so much potential for this coin. $2 to $5. I've said it over and over again. The big news for the day, my friends, is that Crypto.com has taken market share 8% over the last year in the entire crypto space. That's a big chunk of market share. Can they continue to do it? I think that they can. I don't know if it's going to be the biggest exchange in the world. I don't know if it's not going to be. I don't know if it's going to be. All I know is that it's a fierce competitor, taking the proper compliance steps, the regulatory measures necessary, going into a variety of countries, getting the marketing efforts out. They're doing a great job. Crow Coin's undervalued. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, my friends. But that's all I have for you in this one. Fun little update for you on Crypto.com. Oh, I got one little bit for you as well. I wanted to give you an update on the memes in Cronos. We've now got 6 weekly green candles in a row for the Mystery Mary token. Endless rumors about exchange listings for Mary. We do not have any of that verified. A lot of folks in the community are optimistic. I'm optimistic about it. We've had many hints from Crypto.com with the NFT partnership with the Loaded Lions associated in talking about the Mary team and community from their official NFT account, which has 500,000 followers on Twitter. Crow with Knife absolutely exploded, starting a meme coin season. Corgi AI was the first Cronos meme to hit $1 billion market cap. I'm optimistic for the future of the Cronos chain. Right now, the only one I'm holding is Mystery Mary token, but I'm very bullish on Corgi AI. I'm bullish on quite a few of these, but looking at some of the bigger ones, those are kind of the top three in the chain. Let me know which ones you like in the comments down below. Anyway, that is all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. DCA, HODL, do your own research, my friends. I'll see you in the next one. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Until next time, peace, y'all.